Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2X Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. You can track the amount of the calories burned on this watch in couple ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. As you can see at the moment my watch face is not displaying the calories, but we can change it. To do it, press and hold the menu button. Once the menu opens, you should see the watch face option and it should be selected by default. Once it's selected, press GPS button, then select your watch face and press the GPS button. And you will see the customize option. Once you find the customize option, press the GPS, and here we can change the widgets. And you can edit the widget or leave it and then press GPS button to jump to the different ones, because we have couple widgets on the watch face. For example, we can skip this one and change this one to calories. To do it, press the up or down buttons to scroll through the list of widgets, and let's see if we can find the calories. There's no calories here, so I'm gonna leave it at heart rate. Let's check if we can find the calories here, and here we have it. So now we selected the calories widget, and once you're done you can press the GPS button, edit the rest of the widgets, and once you're done you will see the check mark and the watch face will be applied. And as you can see, now we have the calories displayed on the watch face. Another way to check the amount of the calories burned is to do it through the glances. So once you're on the home screen, you can press the up or down button to scroll through the glances like that, and you can find the glance called calories. If it's not on the menu right here, you can basically add it. To do it, scroll through the glances menu to the bottom, and at the bottom of the glances menu you will see the edit option. Once you select it, press the GPS, then scroll through the list of widgets or glances, find the calories one. Alright, my bad, you need to select the add option first. Press the GPS and then find the calories. Right here, select it, press GPS, and then you can go back. And the calories will be added under the notifications. Then we can go back, and here we have it, as you can see. And once you select it, you can also press the GPS button to see more detailed information like graphs and stuff like that. Okay. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this in the phone application. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring the phone that my watch is paired with, and we can zoom out like this. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application, and in the app you will see the calories on the My Day page, and you can see here we have it. You can tap on it to see more detailed information like total, resting calories, and active. And you can scroll through the days. Basically you can check the days to see your progress through the days. Okay, and once you're done you can of course close the app. And that's how you check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.